else, they would publish the photos, which include a quote below the belt selfie and a naked selfie of Bezos wearing nothing but a towel. We have to mention the lawyer for AMI used to work for Amazon. There's also a political or potential political angle to this story, as Bezos owns the Washington Post, which has been very critical of the president. Meanwhile, AMI has a plea agreement in place over the company's hush money payments made during the 2016 presidential campaign that may have benefited Donald Trump. AMI is responding today in an acted lawfully, and that it will promptly and thoroughly investigate the claims. I almost made it all the way through.